Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Haki kendiat sengi balalen, lami kecing berngam, nak kesengking atiar kani karilom kasih jantia, kata nak new trap National Liberation Council, ban siat napang ye kijai benriau, kibam dai kirilom, lada kipulen, kidang peteng kejing pendek, ye kibahiang asam jengkit khot, bat kinong kersan jong ke HNLC. Halor kani ke kerwo, nak ke HNLC, habatwa jingmot na menteri rang ba kejela, ukondat ke sangma, uloong ba ke sorkar, nadu kesengi beningkong, kadan ke jingkit kle, bat ke kamram, banyada, ya baro kinong senong jong kejela, lakilong nakanu-kanu kejai benriau.
See, we've been very clear from day one that all citizens of the state are citizens of Meghalaya, and it is the duty of the government to ensure that all lives are protected, and therefore any kind of threat like this that has been given is not something that is warranted for, and definitely whatever appropriate actions and measures that need to be taken, the state government will take to ensure that all lives are protected.